Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this golden cut crease. If you would like to see how I got this cut crease, please keep watching. Alright, so I'm going in with the James Charles palette, and I'm going in with this brown right here. So I'm gonna blend that all on the crease.
But I'm here right now, just getting in a cloud. Oh wow, I'm here right now with you. Oh wow, oh wow. I don't even care. I'll run my hands through your hair. You wanna run your fingers through mine, but my dread's too thick, and that's alright. Hold on, wait a minute. Feel my heart's intention. Hold on, wait a minute. I left my consciousness in the sixth dimension. Left my soul in his vision. Let's go get it. Let's go get it.
And I bring in the eyeshadow out one, so I can make it like. So now I'm going in with a darker brown. This brown. And I'm going to just gonna blend that right under the light brown.
And you are bound to see. And I cried at the curb where you first said, "Well, Natika me."
So now I'm gonna cut the crease with my white LED eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna cut the crease. It's a little angle brush.
Some just rather say goodbye. Bye.
So now I'm going in with this Beauty Creations glitter. Yeah, I'm going in with some lash glue, and I'm gonna put that right where I cut the crease.
I think I left my conscience on your front doorstep. Whoa, wait a minute. I think I left my consciousness in the sixth dimension. But I'm here right now, just getting in a cloud. Oh wow, I'm here right now with you. Oh wow, oh wow. I don't even care. I'll run my hands through your hair. You wanna run your fingers through mine, but my dread's too thick, and that's alright. Hold on, wait a minute. Feel my heart's intention. Hold on, wait a minute. I left my consciousness in the sixth dimension. Left my soul in his vision. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Some things don't work. Some things about.
Okay, I think that should be good. Okay, so after you look like a glittery goddess, yeah, I'll be going in with some liquid liner and making the wing liner and inner corner.
And they tear apart me, but I broke my word, and you are bound to see. And I cried at the curb where you first said, "Well, Natika me."
drawing a bigger wing, I just bring it down to the lower lash line because I want the wing to be big but straight in line with the look I do it. And don't worry about this part, I will clean up all that with concealer. Now I'm going to with some LA Gel concealer in that cocoa and I'm going to clean up this mess here.
Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Wait a minute. I think I left my conscience on your front doorstep.
Oh, I just put on some black eyeliner. I forget to say it. Now I'm putting some Sacha Lip Velvet in the color Are You Ready? Matte liquid.
I don't even care. I'll run my hands through your hair. You wanna run your fingers through mine, but my dread's too thick and that's alright. Hold on, wait a minute. Feel my heart's intention. Hold on, wait a minute.
Okay guys, so this is the final look.
My soul and his vision. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Some things don't work. Some things are bound to be. Some things they hurt. And they tear apart.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.